guys, welcome back to Fred's Garage. Thanks for coming. On today's episode, we partnered up with our friends over here at Mabett, and we got some really cool accessories for your Ford Maverick. So stick around, and we'll be right back, and I'll show you these accessories. Accessory we have, which will make a great little Christmas gift, is this little cubby holder for that kind of useless spot in the dash. But what's cool about this one is it comes with a fit connector. See it? Same fit connector you have in the back of the console. You can put anything you want there. And Mabett supplies you with three things. You can put a fan, pops right in there, plugs into your USB. We'll give that a shot, see how it works. You can put in a cup holder. Give that a shot. It also comes with a magnetic fold holder. But what's really nice about this, besides the fact that it's made out of really strong ABS, is it's got this secret little pocket here. Okay? So if you got some money and you want to put it in there, now you can stick it in and nobody can see it. Nobody will know it's ever there. You can put money, jewelry, whatever you want to hide from anybody else. This is a cool little thing. So let's put it in, see how everything works. Let me bring you in closer. Alright, so we're talking about this space. So right now I have Marvin the Martian. He's cool, but he can go somewhere else. Let's take him out. Or take our little cubby holder. It has a little snap-in piece right here. And like I said, that's a pretty deep little secret pocket right there. We'll put that in. Snaps in, fits right in there. Okay? So, cup holder. So there you go. Nice place to keep your bottled beverage. If you don't want the cup holder, like I said, now this can move to the back of your console because it has the fit piece. Okay? What if one of yours are always hot? We got a fan. So that's a pretty good idea. Comes with a USB. We just plug that in. It has two-way tape, so you can tape it if you want somewhere. We just turn that on. There you go. And the best part, not only is it 3 speeds, but with this fit connector, and passenger's always hot, you can put it in the fit slot in the back. So now, if you're always warm, you have a fan to cool you off, or if you want your windows down, but you still want a little bit of breeze, there you go. Or if your passenger is always cold, always hot, and wants the fan, but you're always cold, you can connect it. Another thing it comes with is this nifty little phone holder. It's magnetic, and it comes with a magnetic ring that you can attach to your phone if your phone's not made out of metal. That'll fit in there. Okay? And you grab your phone. There you go. So now you have your phone anywhere you want it. It doesn't charge the phone. It's not wireless charging. That would probably be a good idea, but now you can have your phone exactly where you need it. Okay? And we take that off. If you want to add it to the back, add it to the back. And you see, this is in there nice and sturdy. You can actually just add more stuff right here. I'm going to put the keys there for right now, but you can use whatever you want right there, okay? And it's not falling out. But here's the best part. Get yourself a little screwdriver, lift this plastic piece, lift that up, and there she is. And here's your little secret compartment. You'll be the only one to know it's there. Unless somebody else watches this video, then we'll all know it's there, but that's pretty good. It also comes with these cool little seat cover hooks. They go on your rear seats. And you'll see it has the fit slot. Okay. So now you can add cup holder. You can add fan. You can add phone holder. So now the back seats can have that too. Okay? But what it also has are these bag holders. Okay? So we'll connect this and I'll show you these. Alright. Let's put this hook on the seat, show you how that works. Alright everyone. Let's take a look at these hooks, okay? It's very easy. First thing you want to do, just push this button on the side here. Take your headrest off. Take your headrest off, okay? Once you get your headrest off, you just place these right through there. See the holes go right through. Doesn't get any easier. Put the headrest back on. And they fit perfectly right there. And they fit perfectly right there. So now you have your fit slot. What can you do with your fit slot? You can attach an iPad or a phone for your child or whoever's in the back seat. You can attach a cup holder. You can never have too many cup holders. Or you just flick these little hooks up. There's 4 of them. There's 4 of them. And now you don't have to have your bags on the floor. You can put your bags on the hook. You go grocery shopping and you got something light. Put your bags on the hook. Pretty cool, huh? And still have a fan if you need a fan. Okay? Pretty good. If you are going to attach the fan here on the Ford Maverick, you're going to need to get an extension because this isn't long enough. But you'll have it there too. So anyways, hey, well, just some more great accessories from Mabett. Okay, Mabett's always got great stuff, good quality. These seat covers are Mabett. There's so many things. Everything will be in the description box below with all their stuff. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me my videos stink. That's alright. And you guys have a great day.